Today is your first class of science. All the best. The first chapter is crop production and management. In ancient days, people used to live nomadic life. What is that? What is nomads? They used to move from one place to another in search of food, shelter, etc. Later, they started practicing agriculture and they started to grow crops in their own field. Then the word agriculture born. What is meaning of crop? What are crops? Crops are plants which are grown in large scale. Plants which are grown in large scale is called crops. What are the crops, you tell me? Maize, paddy, then groundnut, etc. What are all these crops? There are 3 types of crops. Generally there are 3 types of crops. In your book you study only 2 types. That is kharif crops, rabi crops. One more crop is there, zaid crops. There are 3 crops, 3 types of crops: kharif, rabi, zaid. What is kharif crops? Kharif, the crops which are grown in rainy season are called kharif crops. Tell me some crops which are grown in rainy season. Maize, rice, cotton, these all are grown in rainy season. So these crops are called kharif crops. In which month you have rain? Generally we have rain season in the month of June to September. June, July, August, September. These are 4 months you can expect the rain. So during those rainy seasons, these are the crops are grown. Which are the crops? Kharif crops. Question, you study the examples of kharif crops also. The second type is rabi crops. The crops which are grown in winter season is called rabi crops. Tell me, winter season, what are the fruits you get? What are the vegetables you get? Cauliflower. Then what else you get? Peas, beans. These all mainly cereals, pulses. These all crops are grown in winter season. This is rainy season. This is winter season. It is called winter crops. Rabi crops are called winter crops because these crops are grown only in winter season. And next, in which month do you know winter? You know which month winter we will have. Which month generally we have winter? From October to March. October, November, December, January, February, March. These are the months we grow winter crops, that is rabi crops. The next crop is syed. Next type of crop is syed. These crops is called summer crops. What are the crops? Summer crops? Watermelon, bottle gourd. These are grown in summer season. So it is called syed crops. It is not important in your topic. Next we will study agricultural practices. To grow these crops, we need to follow certain steps to get better yields. To get more product from the plant, we have to follow these all steps. How many steps are there? 7 steps are there. What is the first step? Soil preparation. Then we got to sow the seeds. Then you have to add manure and fertilizer. Next, irrigation. Next, you have to do weeding. Next, harvesting. Next, storage. These 7 steps included in agriculture practices. For growing the crops, we have to follow these all 7 steps. We will study one by one. What is first? The first step is soil preparation. What is soil preparation? Assume this is a soil. It is, you have to preparing the soil means for sowing the seed you got to loosen the soil. How will you lose the soil? You will have kurpi. Kurpi is one of the tool like this shape. This is sharp edge. With the help of sharp edge they used to plow. Getting? This is a traditional method people follow. With the help of kurpi they lose the soil. Soil will be loosened by this some of the tools. Getting? What is the use of loosening the soil? When you lose the soil, air goes inside. So root of the plant get air. So it shows better growth. Plants roots also absorb the air. And the air goes to the porous. Porous means when you lose the soil, holes will be there on the soil. So air enters through the porous and the root of the plant absorb the air. Sometimes the air dissolve in water and the root of the plant absorb that air with the help of water or directly. Getting? So if plants get enough, root of the plant get enough air, they shows better growth. So loosen the soil is very important. And second thing is, what is the second use is, living organism, microorganisms are living in the soil, like earthworm. This is called friend of farmer. Earthworms are called friends of farmers because they help for loosening the soil. How they come up and some of the soil get inside. Top layer of the soil is very fertile. Why it is called fertile soil? Rich in humus. What is humus? Buried plants, animals decompose and mix with the soil. So top soil is rich in nutrients. So top soil is called fertile soil. When the earthworm comes top, the top layer of the soil goes inside. When you loosen the soil, it is easy for the soil to replace. So who is helping in this case? Microorganism. So they also get air, they also multiply. So it helps for the loosening the soil. Understand? So first preparation of soil, very important. Before growing crops, they loosen the soil. They will loosen the soil. With the help of many tools are there. This is kurpi, manually they will do. And some other tools are there, plow. And the other tool is hoe. These other tools are used. What is plow? Plow means plowing the soil. Loosening the soil with the help of one tool, it is called plow. The other name of plowing is called tilling. What is the other name? Tilling. What is the other name of the plowing? Tilling. Getting? Next, what is tool structure? Plow ka? Plow is the tool. Now I will explain the structure of plow. It is like that. Sharp edge will be there. This is called plow shovel. This is called plow share. This is called plow share. To the plow share, plow shaft is attached. Plow shaft, S-H-A-F-T, shaft is attached. It is a sharp tool. This sharp tool is called plow share. It is attached to one rod like instrument, that is called plow shaft. It is attached to one rod. It is made up of wood or metal. It is called plow shaft. To the plow shaft, one beam they will fit To the plough shaft they will keep one beam. The end of the beam is kept on two bullock, two cows. Getting? And cows used to carry this tool, and this instrument is used to plough the soil, loosen the soil. Getting? This is a structure of plough. Plough is a tool which is used to till the soil. The structure they may ask, it has plowshare which is sharp edge, and it is connected to one rod. It is called plough shaft. To the plough shaft one beam is attached. Either side, both the side of the beam is kept on the cow, and the cow used to carry this tool. Getting? This sharp edge plough the soil. Second is hoe. It is also same type. This hoe is also same type. It is shown a blade like structure is there. Blade like structure is there, and it is attached to one rod, and here one beam is there. It is attached. It is kept on the buffalo or cow, whatever it may be, or horse, donkey. So this is another tool used to plough the soil. Getting? Second. What is the second step? Sowing of seeds. What they do? After loosening the soil, they sow the seeds, throw the seeds with a uniform distance. First, before sowing the seed, they select a good variety of seeds. How will you go for good variety? Take a beaker, fill it with water, keep the seeds. So they put seeds in the water. What will happen? Most of the seeds settle down, some of the seeds float. Getting? They are going to select a good variety of seeds. How? Take a water in a beaker, they put the seeds, and most of the seeds settle down, some of the seeds float because they are lightweight, they are having hollow space, and it is spoil tone. This seed is not preferred. This seed is not preferred because it is not good quality. Getting? First, then they collect these seeds, and with the help of some tool, they will sow the seed, or manually also they will sow, and they use some traditional method or latest method. Usually you are having seed drill. This, you know what is drill? It is one of the tool, one of the machine like that. This tool is made up of a long tube fitted with a funnel. They keep the seed, and it is this will be carried by buffalo or any animals, and it will carry, and it will drill. This part will be sharpened part, and here seed will be drilled. Getting? And after drilling, they will cover automatically. The soil will be covered over the seed. Why they are covering? Otherwise, birds they will eat up the seeds. So they will cover automatically. This tool will cover. Getting? This is a tool used for sowing the seeds, and some manually also we will throw the seed. So 2 steps over. First, preparation of soil, loosening the soil. Second, sowing the seeds. Third